All right, we're up in Baltimore. Let's take a look at this drainage job. Hey guys, working okay?
We got French drain, right? Going all the way across. Yeah, my drain side. Drain side.
Wow, nice work.
A lot of 90s.
Yeah, nice though.
Looks good. A lot of 90s, but looks good.
Nice work, duty. Let's get a picture of Wilbur and I right here. Point, come here. Right here, point here. Point down here.
Good.
Nice work, duty.
And the last one don't float any glue.
Like it. It makes it nice because you already got the breather there. That's nice there in case you ever take it off. Nice work, duty. Really nice work. That's what you called about the concrete there coming around. That's strange too, had that come down. How deep was that concrete? Down? Far, yeah?
All the way down.
It's different how the structure is, isn't it? Your brother had them with him, so we were going to bring you to 90s. Felix had some extras. We were bringing you to 6 up, but then when Graydon called you, you said you made it work. You sure did. Sure did, didn't it? Nice work.
Yeah.
This would be a hot day up here this summer working.
Yeah.
Full sun up here. Be cooking.
Yeah, it's not too much shade.
No, I just got that feeling though on a hot day.
Yeah.
You get that feeling? It'd be a hot one.
Not a fun one.
Middle of July up here. Be cooking, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it?
If we have some room, we could squeeze it in between the fence and take it.
Take it out to the street. You can reconnect. Get rid of this. Get rid of this corrugated. This black ADS.
I need to connect that downspout.
Yep, that downspout. Put a piece of channel here to catch anything else.
Yeah, just get one 10-foot piece.
Yeah, one maybe almost finished before the 90.
That'll save this water from going down these steps with that here. See the steps going down? So that'll save all that. You got a sump pump down there already. See it? Wilder?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's going across to the other side of the house.
Is that where it's coming from? I thought it was coming from that back corner. Or you think it's two? She has 2 sump pumps.
I don't know, but it's Jerry rigged across.
Well, we could unjury rig it and fix it up correctly.
Well, I mean the sump pump's going underneath.
Yeah. No, I saw.
Strap pulls no switch up.
Yep. Yep. And how far are we taking it here? You going 45 it?
Yeah, I think just cut it right here.
Now bring it down a little bit further.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah. 45 it in the middle of the hill. Yeah, I'd bring it down to here. Cut this out. Come right down. Looking good. All right. Wilder, you gonna bring this out a little bit further?
He said 6 feet.
6 feet. Who said that?
Robert, I think I'm opening a little more.
Uh-huh.
Maybe 1 feet more.
Well, I'll tell you what, if you open it like that, go down a little bit further, put the gravel in, then cut it at 45. So you got the gravel, the pipe on top, it can come out the pipe, then come down the hill. Yep, perfect. Underneath of it though. There you go.
After that, I think I'll put my grass.
Yep. And then you're good. Just so it's got positive, so it can always drain. Duty, good work. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.